Born with beautiful face, indignation is already there. Even through he became our and 11 San Diego. He still live abundantly in company of Captain Tiago. Pia is the mother, was never been married. Captain Tiago's identify Father and Padre Damaso, his true blood relatives, was accepted wholeheartedly. He doesn't even have courage. Pure love for Ibarra. It's run in our blood, but Ibarra choose to live now. Its heart is blending in. It's hard to take that you will no longer be mine. Your only instruction is happy memory, and it will remain alive in my company forever. I will not leave it, though something beautiful in the town with all your mind and heart. Help people and anyone.